Hi, I'm Roshni, and here we have Mr. Balaji from Orsys Technologies. Hi.
Hi. Hello.
How are you today?
I'm good, thanks for asking.
How are you liking the event today?
Pretty much.
How are you today?
This is the second time that we're attending TRISCON Blockchain Summit.
In Dubai?
Not in Mumbai.
Okay.
First, we have attended in Mumbai,
Okay.
and this is the second time for us
have
to
you been
come here and
to
attend the
another?
interview.
Okay.
It really works well.
Okay.
We could find a lot of people here and a lot of new
Okay,
technologies, exploring many things, many people, many business, and etc. as well. So it's very useful for us, and we are planning
Yeah.
to attend all the TRISCON summits as well.
They have done a good job, right?
Of course, yeah. That's why we,
Speakers, projects, everything very
of
good.
course,
Yeah.
that's why we
Yeah.
again wanted to
Good
attend the next
quality.
one as well.
Okay.
Probably, I think you're going to do it in Bangkok the next time.
I think so. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly, but yeah, maybe. I mean, Bangkok is on the list,
Okay.
but I'm not sure when.
Okay.
I think, yeah.
Okay.
So could you please tell us a little bit about
I'm not
yourself
sure
and
when.
your company as well?
Yeah.
Yes. I'm Balaji.
Yeah.
As you know, we are from the business development team in Orsys Technologies. So we work on getting new business, and we've been focusing mainly on cryptocurrencies and also in blockchain technology as well. So we've been in cryptocurrency-based solution development for almost 7 years. So the major part of our company's development is again based on cryptocurrencies. So we do cryptocurrency exchanges, investments, margin tradings, lendings, liquidities, etc. Even bots for making more volume, and bots
Okay,
for the
nice.
users to make a trade in the platform as
Like
well.
algorithmic trading.
Yeah, algorithmic trading. So the bot you can set a bot in this platform, and the bot can do a
Yeah.
trade for 24/7. You can set a conditions like this much of amount. When Bitcoin is reaching this
Yeah.
much of amount, you can set it. Then the bot will automatically do a trade.
Like just place commands on the board,
Of course.
even on indicators, like if the SMA, 10 SMA crosses.
Exactly.
20 crossover,
Exactly.
EMA crossovers, buy or sell, yeah.
Exactly right. So you can follow the indicators and you can set the parameters for the bot, and you don't have to wait and wake up until midnight to do a trade if the price is going high. The bot can do the job for you. So it is one of an example. So like this, we do almost all possible things or all logically possible things based on cryptocurrencies. We do that. Not only that, now blockchain and decentralization is emerging now. So any centralized system can be migrated from centralized to decentralized. So we have a very big team. We have 200 plus employees.
Okay, wow.
Of course, yeah,
200 plus employees.
definitely. And in that we have 35
plus
blockchain
employees.
developers,
Wow, okay.
and the rest of the other developers are having a skills like PHP, CA, Laravel, Mean Stack, Merge Stack, Full Stack. So we are a completely packed team which have all kind of resources who can work on web and mobile app development as well. Even IoT, AIs, we are started doing that as well. So even machine learning and deep learning as well. So that gives us a bit of work to do a research on how AI can make things properly, or how it can reduce the manual effort and errors as well. So that's pretty much we are focusing on, and we have done some a POC and a little bit of little piece of development for little use cases which are in the real world. So we've been done a project in blockchain which helps real estate business. So yeah, in a centralized real estate business, you can have a lot of flaws, and when we use decentralization in real estate, so that gives more benefit in that particular sector, because that deserves it, that needs decentralization. That's when the documents, verifications, geographical locations, measurements, etc. When you put it in a decentralized way, you cannot edit it first time, and it's immutable. You cannot modify data, and tamper proof. Transparency is very important when it comes to real estate business. So there should not be any scam. We believe, or we would like governments to take this real estate. They have to bring it into blockchain. Only then that will happen without any problem, and it gives a very good result for the citizens, governments, nations, etc.
So are you based in India or here in Dubai?
We are based in
Absolutely,
India.
absolutely.
So we came here for this
Event, yes,
event.
okay.
So TRISCON event in Dubai. So it's really good. As I
Events,
said,
yes,
we'd like to
okay.
attend all the Presscon interviews to make sure that what exactly happening across the globe when it comes to decentralization,
Even educating.
educating, of course. And one more important thing is to make a good networking of people.
Right, yes, that's
Something
main,
we
yes,
know
yes.
and some things others can know. So we can share it. That is
Okay,
this is a place where we can get shared and we can expose ourselves to the international standard as well. So that is very much
Yeah.
needed for every single corporate companies who would like to do a business across the globe with clients across the globe as well. So we are working with people in many countries. You name any country, I name my client in there. So we have clients in across the globe.
Oh, that's very impressive. Yes.
Yeah. So this is what making us grow rapidly, and we are being getting increased. Now it's 200. So in the next 6 months, we are planning to get it into 350.
Wow.
And the process of recruitment is happening. Even I heard someone asking for a job to me in my company here as well. The other developers, analysts as well. So that I'm really happy that we are reachable in an international level, and our standard is also getting improved to an international level as well. So we also have Osis Technologies is the name of our company. We do have 4 or 5 different brands for each and every single platform that we develop. I can name it: CoinJoker, Sellbitbuy, Games DApp, Blockchain Apps Developer. So we have a lot of brands, and we focus mainly on decentralization. Apart from that, we do cryptocurrency exchanges, and we have a cryptocurrency exchange ready-made script as well. I bet you here in this interview, if you want to start a cryptocurrency exchange,
All right, okay.
give me 48 hours. I'll give you a cryptocurrency exchange which is going to be running on your domain.
Wow. Okay. Wow. I mean, you guys should have really. I mean, please listen to that. Wow. That's just fantastic to know this sort of talent. Is there, and along with talent, that you have such expertise of team to create that in 48 hours. Wow.
Yeah, why? I mean, I would say how we can do that. We have developed a platform which is in 3 or 4 different technology stacks. We have a product which is, I mean, as I said, the script which is available ready-made as a ready-made script in CI, which is Code Igniter PHP, and we have the script which is also available in Laravel tech stack as well. And again, mean stack and merge stack, we have the product ready. So you just give your AWS server, just give your domain. We will put the script into your server and point it to your domain and put SSLs, DDoS protections, etc. and etc. So that will take just 48 business hours, which is good enough for us, or more than enough for us to do that as well. And apart from this is one of the products that we do, and we get a lot more requirements from our clients as well. For an example, as I said, the real estate blockchain platform that we did, which has a good reach for our client as well. And apart from that, now gamblings and games that can also be played in blockchain, played using blockchain platforms. So you don't have to have a wallet on the server. So you can make it decentralized. You can use your Chrome extension like MetaMask, Tron Link. So you can use that and connect your blockchain wallet directly. You don't have to depend upon the platform's wallet. So you can connect your blockchain wallet and pay the blockchain, the amount to the admin using your blockchain wallet directly. You don't have to depend upon the admin or an intermediary who can pay for you or who can give benefit for you. So there are a lot of lottery games that we did. And also we have done another product which is for music industry, and that is what presented in a pitch competition that we did here. Was an excellent one, and I'm really happy that we have a very good team to present our company here in Presscon Dubai, and it is really happiest moment for me to give an interview to you.
We enjoyed the event and I hope you enjoy your day. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah, bye bye.